Today we have a video from State Boys, and the title of the video is SRT Chrysler 300 takes on 2 GSP Mustangs. Oh, is that the 300? Yeah, that's the 300. SRT.
I seen that bitch. I said, oh shit, let me slow down. Where y'all at? Y'all ain't caught up to us yet?
Nah, we all pulling over before MLK.
Oh, god damn it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to plug up to this one, boy.
Hey! Oh, that's a y'all hear him? Oh, that's a black officer right there, boy. Where we at in Georgia? Georgia State Patrol? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh shit, let me slow down. Where y'all at? Y'all ain't caught up to us yet?
Nah, we all pulling over before MLK.
Oh, god damn it.
Oh yeah, he about to get them together.
Yeah, we're gonna have to plug up to this one, boy.
Woo!
God damn, I can't get shit out. Damn.
Yeah, we gonna have to plug up in this one, boy.
Hey, stand by just in case he
You still on break?
Nah. But you know.
He already got a feeling. See, cause it's an SRT. That thing go. Ooh, you hear that?
Hey, he's swinging.
Ooh, you hear that? Ooh. Ooh, that ain't the base model. Ooh.
Hey, he's swinging. He's swinging.
Okay. Chase is on.
He's going southbound.
Another officer. Okay, cop on him though. Ooh-wee.
We're 20 west. It's 114 on primary.
The officer driving good though. I ain't gonna lie, the officer driving good. Damn, that motherfucker out though, boy.
White Chrysler 300.
That ain't no regular 300, boy. Yeah, officer doing good though. Ooh. Hey, I get officer credit, boy. Hey, Ooh, he clipping mirrors. Hold on, there was some debris, man. Hold up. Ooh, that 300 bobbing and weaving though. He clipped something though. Oh yeah, he clipped his mirror. Woo.
God damn, get out the way. God damn it. Go ahead.
Oh, that cop trying to pass the other cop. He said, get out the way. Oh boy. Listen, when they catch up to his ass, boy, his ass is grass. You hear me? Listen, we don't see people giving the cops a real run for their money with these cop chases. Typically, it'd be like the big old they be trying to escape in a truck or a minivan and all like these regular cars. It's not gonna happen. The only way you could really kind of escape is like, or even have a chance at escaping, because many people don't escape, is if you have like a super, like a car that really got some kick, like, you know what I mean? Like, it really gotta have some kick to it. And you gotta be a good driver, because you gotta be bobbing and weaving and all that type of stuff. But yo, this is a good one though. But when they catch him, oh, his ass is grass, boy. Hold on, where he went? Cause I ain't even. Oh, he's so far ahead up. I ain't even see him. Woo, oh, okay. He turned. He turned at the light. Okay. We still see him. Oh, you gotta make a decision. Okay.
All right, he's going Cascade.
I don't see him no more. Okay, that might be him down there. Just turned the corner. This is tough. Okay, is that him?
Alright, he's making a left turn.
Okay, he turned. Oh, wow, they still caught up to him. Wow. This cop is doing good, man. He turned.
One of y'all stay on Cascade. He's gonna go back to Cascade. Right turn on Chatham.
That cop doing good, boy.
Hey, go south. He didn't come north. He made a right turn on Avon. I think he's going back to Cascade.
Clear right turn on Avon Avenue for Chatham.
Ooh. Oh, man, the road done split. It's split. He had to make a decision. Did he make the wrong decision? Ooh, right or left? He chose left.
Hey, go south. He didn't come north. He made a right turn on Avon. I think he's going back to Cascade.
Clear right turn on Avon Avenue for Chatham.
Okay, we got the other cops still. Okay, who that? Oh no, that's a regular car. Oh man. Oh wait, we got a car on the tower. No, that ain't it. Oh nah, this ain't looking good.
I bet you's back on Cascade.
I'm back on Cascade.
Oh yeah, the cops is passing each other. Yeah. Wow. Maybe he's somewhere.
The first thing he did was get off the interstate. I was about to kick his ass on 20. Not eastbound, westbound.
Huh?
I ain't mean to get in your damn way. Y'all see.
Nah, you good, man. It's just we. I'm a little bit more aggressive driver.
I know it. I know it. Yeah, I know it. Shit, that's something that's wrong. Damn, boy.
Oh, it's
I ain't
over.
gonna lie. That was an SRT8. Had to be.
It's over?
Nah, eastbound, westbound, westbound. Hey, I ain't mean to get in your damn way, kid.
Wow.
I ain't mean to get in your damn way. Y'all see.
Nah, you good, man. It's just we. I'm a little bit more aggressive driver.
I know it. I know it. Yeah, I know it. Shit, that's something that's wrong. Damn, boy. That bitch was fast, boy. I ain't gonna lie. That was an SRT8. Had to be. All right, what's that Hellcat?
That joint had sub in it. That was a different type of engine,
That
boy.
tag is going to be Sam Ida Robert 9572 SIR 9572 out of Georgia.
Clear, we have it. Clear, we have it.
Yeah, see, you know, they still got the tag from, you know, from the original stop and everything. Like, you could clearly see the tag right here, you know. But this is not a regular Chrysler 300. This is not one of them. This ain't that. This ain't that. I'm going to tell you right now, this was not that. They gave them a run for their money, man. A run for their money. Look at that. You see that little dot on the side? That you see that emblem? That might be that cap, boy. Ooh. Hold on. I can't click it, man, but yo. Wow. You don't see that often. That's the only way. I'm telling you, that's the only way. Most of these guys, these police chases and stuff like that. Where you going, man? Where you going in a Ford F-150, man? Where you going? You ain't going nowhere in that. Where you going, man? Where you going in a Dodge Caravan, man? What you doing, man? Where you going in a Ford Edge, all right? Where you going, man? You ain't going nowhere in that. You ain't going nowhere in that, man. Toyota Camry. Wait, what you doing with that, man? That ain't going, no, man. No, man. No. You ain't going nowhere in that. Now that Chrysler 300 with that. Whoo, that is not the base model. Bro was out, gone. Out of there. Wow. Unbelievable. But I got to get a cop credit, man. He did do a good job keeping up. It's just, it's split. You got a decision to make. And you chose the wrong way. And that was it. That was game over. Boop. That was it. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.